Alright, picture this. Tiny clay versions of me and you, hustling through a bustling claymation city. But here's the thing. Becoming a millionaire in America isn't just a fairy tale. It's a path anyone can walk. First, let's bust the myth that you need to be born rich or know some secret billionaire handshake. The real secret? Mindset. Millionaires aren't just lucky, they see problems as opportunities. So, if you want to make millions, start thinking, what can I solve that people will actually pay for? Now let's get practical. Clay Figure Me grabs a notebook, because every empire starts with an idea. Maybe it's a product, a service, or an app. But here's the trick. Don't just dream it, validate it. Go out, talk to people, get honest feedback, and tweak until your idea sticks. Next, I gear up my little clay entrepreneur for action. You've got to embrace the hustle. That means putting in long hours, learning new skills, and sometimes failing, hard. But every failure is just another push on the wheel that'll get you rolling faster towards success. And let's talk money. Millionaires know that every dollar is like a tiny employee. You want your money working for you, not just sitting in a clay piggy bank. That means learning to invest. Stocks, real estate, or even your own business. Start small, but start now. But hold up, you don't have to do this alone. In my claymation journey, I build a network of other hustlers, mentors, partners, and friends who keep me sharp. Collaboration beats competition almost every time. One thing I learned? Millionaires keep learning. Read books, watch videos, take courses, fill your clay head with knowledge. The world changes fast, and you want to be ahead of the curve, not chasing it. And finally, don't forget generosity. The most successful people give back, whether it's time, money, or expertise. It feels good, and it opens doors you never knew existed. So if you're watching this thinking, that could never be me, stop. Every millionaire started somewhere. Why not here? Why not you? Your claymation journey to millions in America starts with a single step. Ready to take it? Hit subscribe, and let's keep building dreams, one clay block at a time.